Welcome to Tech Leads IT. Myself, Krishna. I'm the director of Tech Leads IT, and also I teach supply chain management here. Coming to my work experience, I'm having total 18 years of experience into Oracle EBS and Oracle Fusion projects. I have hands-on experience on implementation, supports, upgrades, and rollout projects and enhancement projects also. Coming to my training experience, in case of EBS, I completed 52 batches. In Oracle Fusion, I completed 51 batches. And right now, 52 batch is going on, and your batch number is going to be 53. 53 is your batch number. Almost from the last 10 years, I'm into the training. And in the Fusion side, I'm teaching from the 2016 onwards. And I'm also Oracle University instructor also, and I used to take up the trainings from Oracle University. And also parallelly, if any other companies are approaching me directly for the corporate training, I also deliver the corporate training. Last year, I delivered corporate training to a couple of companies from Pune and from Hyderabad. One of the biggest companies, LTI, L&T. To that company also, I delivered a corporate training. Okay. And here we assemble to see the things about the supply chain management and procurement. Supply chain management and procurement, what is this course, and what content that we are covering, what facilities that we are covering, and how this course is useful to upgrade your skill set or to convert your profile into the supply chain area side. Okay, what are the job opportunities are there in the market? Okay, that we will discuss down the line. Okay. Now, since some of the people who are completely new to ERP, I wanted to give an ERP example. Who already knows what is ERP, please bear with me for another 5 minutes. Okay. First of all, what is ERP? Okay. I'll tell you simple example. Okay. I don't want to spend more time by presenting some slides on the ERP and then explaining ERP long time, not required. I'll simply explain you what is ERP. Suppose I'm having a retail shop. I'm having a business. What are the day-to-day transactions happens in my shop or in my business? Let's take grocery shop. I have a grocery shop. What happens? Okay, I'm going to procure the material from my supplier, right? I'll keep that material in my shop. My shop is nothing but inventory. Okay. Whatever the stock is available in my inventory, I'm going to sell to my customer. So this is supply chain management. I'm procuring the material from my supplier. I'm keeping in my inventory, nothing but in my shop. From my inventory, I'm selling to my customers. This is supply chain management. Suppose if I'm having one shop, I'm going to maintain all that information in a book. Nothing but how much I purchased from my supplier, what is my current stock, what is my sales today. I maintain everything in a book. Suppose I maintain everything in a book. Suppose if I'm having 10 shops, I need an Excel file. Okay. In the Excel file, shop 1, shop 2, shop 3. Okay. I'm going to maintain all those data. Suppose if I'm having business across the globe, where I can maintain all my supply chain transactions information, all my company day-to-day business transactions. It could be related to purchases, inventory, sales, or it could be related to manufacturing or finance. Finance is nothing but how much we pay to suppliers, how much amount we received from customers, what is our profit and loss of the company for India, for US, for UK, for other countries. So we need a software to maintain all this business transactions information. We need HR information also, right? How many employees are working in our company? We need to run the payroll. We need to hire the employees, and we need to terminate the employees if required, promotions. All this information, company information, day-to-day business transactions information, we have to maintain in a software. That software is called as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. So this software, this ERP is built by Oracle. It is built by Oracle. Okay. Sir, is there any coding required for this course? No coding. Coding is not required. Even I don't know coding. I don't know Java. I don't know SQL. Coding is not required for this course. To learn Oracle Fusion SCM supply chain functional, coding is not required. Okay. And we will see the next agenda points in the coming slides. Oracle has introduced 3 ERPs in the market. 3 ERPs. Okay, sir, why 3 ERPs? What is the purpose? I'll tell you, first of all, Oracle EBS. Oracle EBS is the first ERP that is launched by Oracle. In which year? 1980. 1980. In 1980. That means this is the oldest ERP. Now many clients are using this ERP. Okay. Later on, Oracle has introduced Oracle Fusion applications and Oracle NetSuite also. Totally 3 ERPs are available. Sir, why 3 ERPs are available? Okay. Now Oracle is encouraging all the customers to migrate from Oracle EBS to Oracle Fusion applications. Sir, what about NetSuite? NetSuite is for the mid-sized companies. Mid-sized companies, they can go for the NetSuite. But if the companies are really big like Flipkart and Amazon, those companies can go with the Oracle Fusion applications. Now we are going to learn this ERP. Okay. So to learn this ERP, is there any knowledge required of this ERP or this ERP not required? You can directly learn Oracle Fusion applications ERP. Sir, already Oracle EBS is available. Why again Oracle Fusion applications is here? Okay, I'll tell you a background story. In the market, like Oracle ERP, PeopleSoft ERP is also there. JD Edwards ERP is also there. Siebel ERP is also there. What Oracle has done is, Oracle has acquired all these 3 ERPs. And we have our own ERP, right? So totally how many ERPs are there here? 4 ERPs are there. One is our in-house ERP and other 3 ERPs are we have purchased, we have acquired. Okay. By mixing all these ERPs, so PeopleSoft is famous for HR. JD Edwards is famous for procurement. EBS is famous for financials. And Siebel is famous for CRM. By mixing all the best functionalities from different ERP applications, Oracle has launched Fusion ERP. Fusion ERP is a hybrid product because it has taken best functionalities from Oracle EBS, PeopleSoft, Siebel, JD Edwards. That's why it is called as a hybrid application. And it's also called as a cloud application. Sir, what is meant by cloud application? Cloud application is nothing but we no need to maintain the server. We no need to maintain the server. Okay. The server is maintained by Oracle. Nothing but normally if you want any software, what you have to do, you have to buy the hardware. You have to install that software in that server and you have to manage the server also. Okay. So because of the cloud application, that is done by the Oracle itself. You don't maintain your server. You don't. So because of this cloud application, because of this cloud option, capital expenditure and operational expenditure can be avoided. Capital expenditure is nothing but if you want to install your software in your server, you have to buy server machine, right? You have to buy a big computer, correct? You have to buy the hardware, right? Can you hear me, team?
Yes, Krishna.
Okay.
Yes, we can.
So purchasing the hardware comes under the capital expenditure. You have to buy the hardware, not only buying the hardware today, you have to upgrade your hardware also. Suppose maybe after 1 year, you'll get new processor. Okay. New changes in the hardware you have to do. You have to continuously invest on your capital expenditure. Not only that, to manage the server, nothing but to install the software, you need a DBA, database administrator. That guy is going to monitor your server. Not only that, you have to provide the security also. Network administrator should be there. So for all these resources, we need to pay the salaries also. Not only paying the salaries, we have to show them office premises also. That's called as a operational expenditure. Operational expenditure also can be avoided here. Why? Because are we maintaining our server? No, it's maintained by Oracle. We will just buy the application from Oracle and Oracle is going to maintain the server. So that is the difference between on-premise and cloud. In case of on-premise, You have to maintain your server, but in case of cloud, we no need to maintain the server. Oracle will take care of everything. Nothing but if our server has to go with any maintenance, or if our server has to go with any upgrade, everything done by the Oracle itself. In case of Oracle Fusion projects, no DBAs are there. Only functional consultants are there. Technical consultants are there. No more DBAs in Oracle Fusion since it is a cloud application. Okay. Now, hope you understood. As of now, hope you understood.
Yes.
Oracle Fusion is a hybrid application. Okay, it's also an ERP. It's an hybrid application. And what is the background of inventing Fusion is nothing but the best functionalities has been extracted from all these applications, has introduced Fusion ERP. Okay, Fusion ERP is a cloud application. Because of that, why I'm telling this point again and again, because of the cloud application, clients are saving the money. They're able to save the money. They can avoid the capital expenditure. They can avoid the operational expenditure. Okay, that's why most of the clients are showing the interest to the Fusion Cloud ERP. Okay, this question I have asked directly to the one of the IT director. Okay, so they actually did the analysis to go with which ERP, and then they finally choose the Oracle Fusion. I asked them why you choose the Oracle Fusion. They told me like they did the cost comparison with other ERPs, and they found Oracle Fusion is better for them. That's why they have chosen Oracle Fusion. Okay. When I went to South Korea, in that South Korea, I used to work with that IT director by sitting beside to him. And this is a response I received from him. And there is one more option is also available, clouded customer. So there is a myth in the market saying that suppose if you keep your business data in the cloud, what about security? Your company data, your business data, if you're keeping in the cloud, what about security? Now, many applications are, suppose let us take our case itself. We are using Google Drive, right? We are using Google Drive from so many years. Correct? We are keeping our data in the Google Drive itself. That is also cloud, right? Google Drive is also cloud.
Yes.
So is there any malpractices happened with your Google Cloud as of now? I mean, G Drive?
No, sir.
Have we heard not about, forget about Google Drive, forget, just talk about other applications also. Now everything is cloud. AWS is there. Okay, Google Cloud is there. Microsoft Azure Cloud is there. There are a lot of cloud service providers are there. Have you heard about any malfunctioning recently? Any security breaches recently? No. Okay. So there is, I believe personally it's a myth in the market, but it's again a debate. Okay, I don't want to get into the debate. But if you're having such kind of confusion, what about my data? What about my security? Okay, my business data security. If you have that doubt, Oracle is also providing another option called clouded customer. Clouded customer. Now, what Oracle is going to do is Oracle is going to manage the software within your company premises, within your company firewall. So you have to provide security to your server. But the server maintenance is done by Oracle only. But you can see your server with your eyes. Okay. Every day you can see, every day in the morning, you can see your server with your eyes. That is called as clouded customer. But this is again a kind of on-premise only. What is the difference between on-premise and clouded customer? In case of on-premise, you are gonna maintain your server, but here you cannot maintain. You can see your server, you can provide the security, but maintenance is done by the Oracle. Okay, this is third option for the server deployment. But most of the clients, I never seen any client, Fusion client going for the clouded customer option. They have chosen only cloud option only. Okay, as of now, whatever the implementation that I've did, all those clients has went for the cloud option only, not a clouded customer. Okay, on-premise is available for Fusion. A question to all of you: on-premise is available for Fusion as per our discussion? No, because it's a cloud application. Okay. Hope you understood, right? What is ERP? I think you understood, right? Managing all the business transactions, company day-to-day business transaction. It could be sales, purchases, or payments, receipts, paying salaries, company expenses, hiring the employees, promoting the employees. Okay, everything we maintain in the ERP application. Okay. Now, what are the versions of the Fusion ERP?
Krishna, is Oracle Fusion Acha compliant?
Gajendra, I have your number. Okay. We will discuss separately. Okay. Because if you're asking such big questions, other people may confuse. Okay. Let's discuss over the phone. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
No, you
I don't
said
want to
second.
panic. I don't want to panic everybody. I know about you.
What
okay?
was the question again?
Sir, we'll discuss that later. Okay. Sridhar. Okay.
I
Please
didn't
wait.
get that question
No,
itself.
that's okay. If you don't get, that's okay. No problem. Okay. We'll discuss later. Okay. I don't want to deviate the topic here. Okay. I want to stick to my agenda, my demo. Okay. Please wait. If you are having any questions so far on my agenda, on my topics, please. I'll take it. Sridhar, no, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's come to the releases part. I would like to spend some time here because I find this is really beautiful in Fusion. Oracle Fusion is a quarterly upgrade product. Suppose if you purchase a mobile, quite frequently you'll get updates in your mobile, right? You're getting quite frequently updates in your mobile, correct? Why you are getting the updates? If any bugs are there, that will be automatically fixed, and also it will improve the performance, and also it will give you the new features, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
So similarly, Oracle Fusion application is upgrading every quarter. Every quarter. That means every quarter you'll see bug fixing, performance improvement, and new functionalities. In a year, how many quarters are there?
4.
4 quarters are there. Currently, we are in which quarter?
Second quarter.
Second quarter.
So this B is nothing but second quarter. We are in which year? 2023. 23 B is nothing but, so 2023 B is nothing but second quarter. So this is the latest version currently. Now the next version is 23C, next version. Okay. So I'm going to teach everything in 23B, and for the practice also, we will give you the same application 23B itself. That means the classes are on the latest version only. And also, I will discuss the new features introduced in the latest version also. Not only in 23B, in 23A, what was the latest features? In 22D also, what was the latest features? Okay, we will discuss that during the classes. We have to keep on upgrading our skill set, our knowledge in case of Fusion application. Okay, and when I compare this with Oracle EBS, so the people who are already working on Oracle EBS, I would like to give this comparison. Others can ignore it. If you're not working on Oracle EBS, ignore it. This point is for the people who are working on Oracle EBS. In case of Oracle EBS, what will happen? Suppose if you found any bug, what will happen? You have to report that bug to Oracle, right? Then Oracle is going to perform the analysis, and Oracle is going to give you the patch. You have to apply the patch in the non-production environment. After that, you have to do the testing, and you have to get the approvals to apply in the production instance. If required, you have to take the downtime for the production instance. It's kind of a mini project, right? Suppose if you find any bug, it's kind of a mini project or not? The consultants who are working on Oracle EBS. But in case of Fusion, in case of Fusion, suppose if you report any bug to Oracle, Oracle will do all these things. Just you report bug to Oracle. Okay, Oracle is going to test it internally. Oracle is going to apply a patch, not only in your environment. If Oracle feels this has to be fixed across all the customers, it's going to fix to all the customers across the globe. That means there is very less chance of facing the bug. Suppose if I face a bug, you won't face that bug again because I reported to Oracle, Oracle has fixed it. You won't face that bug again because I reported to Oracle. That is also one of the interesting point I find in Fusion, because it saves a lot of time. Time is nothing but not our time. Okay. Anyway, we are here to work, but it's gonna save the money of client, because we don't bill the customer. If we don't bill the customer can save their money. Okay.
Krishna,
Yeah.
I have a question.
Hmm.
So in case if we found any bug in a current application, will they
Okay.
fix it immediately or will they provide the fix in a next release or every means every
It's
quarter?
based on the bug priority, madam. Suppose if
Okay.
it has to be fixed immediately, it will fix immediately. Okay. After they research, they'll fix it immediately. Suppose if it can be waited, if there is a workaround, if it can be waited, it can be fixed in the next upgrade release. Okay.
Oh, okay, fine.
It depends upon the several factors.
Fine.
Okay. Now, since it is a fusion, we have to talk about these three platforms also. Infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure. Are we maintaining our infrastructure? No. Are we maintaining our server? No. So who is providing the infrastructure to us? Oracle itself. Okay. So IaaS part is Oracle. Infrastructure part is Oracle. Okay. DBS are nothing but from the Oracle side. So we have in the two platforms, SaaS and PaaS. Sir, what is SaaS and what is PaaS? Okay. First, I will tell you PaaS. PaaS is for the developers. Platform as a service. PaaS is for the tech developers. Sir, what is the developer work? Developer work is to generate the reports based on the client requirement. Suppose I'm the client. I'm going to ask you, what was my sales in the last month? Can you give me a report? What was the sales in my last month? In the last quarter, I have launched a new product. Can you give me the sales of that new product? So in that case, what developers are going to do is developers are going to build the reports based on the SQL queries. They write the SQL queries and they build the reports. Okay. Not only building the reports, they also perform the integrations. Integrations in the sense, suppose an example, if you take Flipkart or if you take Amazon, a customer is going to your website and they're placing the order in the website, right? Automatically that order information goes to ERP application. So how that is automatically going to an ERP application? There is an integration we have built between two systems. What are the two systems here? One is website and another one is ERP application. There is an integration. Because of those integration, these two platforms are talking to each other. They're exchanging the data. How we are exchanging the data? Similarly, applications are going to exchange the data. So such kind of integrations are also built by the developers, technical consultants. Okay. So in our project, you'll also see the technical consultants. They call it as a PaaS consultants. So in Fusion down the line, these PaaS consultants are divided into two types of consultants down the line. Okay. One is reporting consultant, and the other one is integration consultant. Reporting consultant exclusively is going to work on the reports. Integration consultant exclusively working on the integrations only down the line. So that kind of approach and model already some companies are following. So the reporting consultant, separate division, integration consultant, because they're like very great in that area. Integrations area, they're very great. Reports area, they are very great. Okay, so two platforms you'll see in the future also. Now we fall under here. SaaS consultants, software as a service. So who is providing the software to us? Oracle. Oracle is providing the software. Okay. Sir, what is our work? As a functional consultant, as a SaaS consultant, what is our work? In the application, this application has built for all the type of clients. All the type of clients is nothing but a client can be from health industry, airlines industry, telecommunication industry, oil and gas industry, banking and construction, real estate, or some hospitality. Okay, the client can be from any industry. This is the only application. So this application, we have to configure according to the client requirement and according to the industry, according to their industry. So we are going to learn this application, all the features. Suppose if this application is having 100 features, we will learn all the 100 features. The 100 features may not be required for the client. Client may require only 10 features. Only those 10 features we will enable in the application. We will configure in the application. Sir, is there any coding? No coding. I'm repeating again, no coding. Is there any prerequisites for this? No prerequisites, just a basic business knowledge. Common sense is required. What is sales order? Do you know? Everybody know what is sales order, right?
Yes.
What is purchase
Yes.
order? What is customer? What is supplier? Basic business knowledge is enough. The prerequisites, basic business knowledge, a common sense is required. No SQL, no prerequisites to learn this course, to become a SaaS consultant, especially on the supply chain side. Okay. And also, I will tell you one simple example. So we are designing, we are building this application for the client, right? For the client. Okay. Now I'll tell you. Okay, I don't want to get into the application. Later at the end, we'll see the application. Now, from client to client, suppose an example, all of us, we are using net banking. Okay. Suppose HDFC and Axis Bank and different banks are there. So one bank will ask you to use a 13-character password. Another bank will ask you to use 10-character password, having combination of alphabets, numeric numbers, right? So this is the requirement from different clients. Nothing but for their login, they want to have a different password security. So similarly, we are configuring this application for the client. You have to ask the client, coming to password policy, how many minimum characters you want for your employees? Client is going to tell you, please configure the login for 13-character password. One uppercase should be there, one lowercase should be there, one number should be there. They will tell you what they want. And that option you have to enable in the application. I'm taking a simple example for everybody to understand. Layman also should understand. That's why during my explanation, I'm not using the technical words also. Even a fresher or a beginner should understand what I'm speaking. That's why I'm giving this simple example. So what we have to ask to the client, sir, what about password? Okay. How many characters you want? How many uppercases? How many symbols you want? Okay. According to that, we have to enable that option in the application. Okay. So you ask the client, nothing but requirement gathering, and get the requirement from the client and capture that in a document. You have to capture, you have to follow the documentation also in the project. Because today client is saying 13-character password. He may forget tomorrow, right? He may say, no, I didn't say 13-character, I said 20-character password. Or maybe I said 10-character password. That's why whatever the discussion, whatever the question that you have asked, you have to capture in a document. So documentation is also required. And then you have to configure the application feature, functionalities, options according to the client requirement. That is our work. A simple example I have given. Okay. Now, so we are here, we are SaaS consultants, we are functional consultants. In case of Fusion, all these modules are available. Okay. Financials, HCM, okay. PPM, project portfolio management, CRM, GRC, all these are available, but we fall under these two offerings. We fall under these two offerings, supply chain management and procurement. Supply chain management and procurement. In the procurement, I'm covering everything, complete procurement suite I'm covering, but in the supply chain management, except this module, asset management, this is called as an enterprise asset management. Except this module, I'm covering everything. Okay, and this is not required. I mean, even I don't know, I didn't work on the asset management module, enterprise asset management. Okay, you can actually separate this from the supply chain management, not a problem. Now, individually, if I put it here, I'm covering each module, inventory module, I'm covering product management, and then order management, GOP, do, pricing. So you see these three modules, right? GOP, do, distributor order, orchestration, pricing. These three falls under order management only. So these three modules are connected to the order management. Okay. And then costing. I'm covering the costing. Totally, how many modules you'll see? 7 modules. Okay. And then procurement suite, purchasing, self-service procurement, supplier portal, sourcing, procurement contracts, supplier qualification management. So totally how many modules you see here under procurement suite? 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So in the previous slide, how many, and here how many? Totally how many modules? 7 plus 6,
11.
right? 7 plus 6, 1,
13.
13
13.
modules. Totally, I'm covering
13.
13 modules. Okay. And that too, the explanation is going to be from the basic to advanced. Even a fresher can understand. Even you're having a 15 years of experience, you don't get bored because of my explanation, because I go into that kind of depth in the subject. And also, You can also, after completion of the training, if you do practice, if you do thoroughly practice along with me, you are able to keep 4 to 5 projects in your resume also. That sort of knowledge I'm giving in the training. But again, a condition is you have to practice, you have to connect to the classes regularly. I'm not saying that if you pay fee to me, you'll get the knowledge. No. You have to attend the classes regularly. You have to practice regularly. Then you are able to project even 5 projects, 5 years of experience into your profile also. That knowledge, that much knowledge I'm giving. Sir, what is this purchasing module? What is this supplier portal module? Beginners, what is the significance of this module? We will discuss later in the classes. Okay, this is the modules that I'm covering. What is the purpose of this module? We'll discuss later in the classes. Okay, fine with the beginners who are new to Oracle ERP?
Yes.
Okay, and somebody hand is raised. Who is that?
Hi, good morning, Krishna.
Hi, morning.
Are you going to cover the landed cost management, which is available in EBS, but not in Fusion? Like,
I'm covering average and standard costing, not landed.
I mean, if I have got the import purchase order, then how the landed cost will work? I mean, that point, I mean, not in detail, but briefly, if you can.
Okay, got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, we can discuss. But as of now, yeah, you know, different components got involved if you're importing something from other countries. So that cost elements we have to define in the system. Okay, and automatically that cost element should be charged against that product. Okay, I'll give you the outline later. Okay.
Thank you.
Harish, go ahead. Okay. Now, not only these modules, okay, I would like to highlight the important topics also. We have already published the course brochure, course content with you. It has all the detailed topics. Please check. Okay, you might have received an email. You might have received a WhatsApp message from us. There is a PDF brochure. In that PDF brochure, module-wise detailed topics are available. And here I'm explaining the important topics. Important topics only. Order to cash cycle, procure to pay cycle, and then return sales order, dropship sales order, back-to-back sales order, transfer order, sales order approvals. Sales order approvals is a new feature in Fusion. It's a new feature in Fusion. It's not available in EBS. And the credit hold functionalities. I will also explain you the accounting entries also. For every transaction, what is the debit side? What is the credit side? I have a document also. I will give you the document with you. Not only in case of procurement and order to cash, all the inventory transaction accounting entries also I have. And receiving transaction accounting entries, manufacturing transaction accounting entries also have. All those accounting entries, what is debit side and what is credit side, okay? What accounts are going to hit for every transaction. I have a document, I'll explain you the document and I'll give it to you. And other major important topics are approvals. For any successful implementation, approvals is very, very important. So that's why on the approvals, almost I'm spending 8 hours in the session, 8 hours. 8-hour session is required for me to complete the approvals. Okay, generally outside people are covering maybe just 2-3 hours only, because I'm covering all the 5 types of hierarchies. If you see here, no Naresh, no, only supply chain. Okay, and approvals, I'm covering all the 5 types of hierarchies: supervisor hierarchy, position hierarchy, job level, approval group, single approver. Okay, and then period close process. In case of EBS, you know, period close is some kind of a nightmare to everybody, right? So if there is a period close, you know, you don't go outside, you'll be in the office itself or in front of the computer itself, okay? If it is a holiday or if it is whatever, okay? But in Fusion, period close is very, very easy. It's very, very easy. In Fusion, no inventory periods. Inventory periods are there. No PO periods, purchasing periods also not there. Only costing period is there. And closing that costing period is also easy in Fusion. I will tell you the period close process as well. Okay. And other reports and tables and customer facing documents. A purchase order is a customer facing document. A sales order is also customer facing document. So how to customize the layouts of those documents also we'll discuss in the classes. It's a pure real-time training, end-to-end training. After completion of this training, almost like one live project is also going to cover. So only difference is Only difference between the live project and our discussion is, in case of live project, you have a client. You will work according to the client by taking the input from the client. But here, during our classes, we will assume the requirements, we will assume the client, and we will complete the configurations in the application. Only difference is there you have a client, here we assume the requirements and we configure the application. And there you follow certain process, certain documentation. Here also we follow. I will tell you what kind of documents that I'm preparing in the projects also. I have those templates also. I will share you at the end. I'll show you at the end. What templates are there? Sample formats are there? What kind of documents we have to prepare in our projects? I will show you at the end of the demo. Okay. And then some of the additional topics like data migration. Suppose a best example for the data migration is, we are all using mobiles. Suppose from the old mobile to new mobile, what kind of data you bring? What kind of data you bring from the old mobile to the new mobile? Everyone?
Yes,
me-
the
Pictures.
Photos, yeah.
photos,
Contact
our
numbers.
documents like
Contact
which are stored.
details.
Contact.
So similarly,
Apps.
when any client is
Applications.
moving into new application, from the old application, the data should be migrated to new application, right? That's called as a data migration. So to migrate the data from one application to our Fusion application, what was the options available? Okay, all those options we'll discuss in the classes. FB day is there, ADF day is there, task level upload is there. 3 kind of options are there. Using those 3 kind of options, we can migrate the data, client data from the old application to the Fusion ERP. Okay. I will also cover the OTA part also. OTA is nothing but it's actually a screen. In that screen, you can drag and drop the columns. Automatically, report will be generated. A simple reports can be built using the OTBI. Simple reports, not complex reports. Sir, any coding required for building the reports using OTBI? No, no coding. As I mentioned, there is a screen. In the screen, you have to drag and drop the columns. If you drag and drop the columns, automatically the report gets generated. No need to write the coding. Simple reports can be built using the OTBI. That I will tell you. What are the standard reports? Nothing but seeded reports. When I say seeded reports, which comes with the application. Suppose an example, if you purchase a new mobile, automatically in the context, you will see a dial 100, you'll see ambulance number, right? Similarly, that's called as a seeded data, predefined data, which is in the product. So similarly, what kind of predefined reports are there in the application? Predefined, seeded reports are there. That also will cover in the classes, okay? And coming to the integrations, okay? What integrations can be built using how many options? I don't show you end-to-end process, but theoretically, we should have knowledge on the integrations also, theoretically. Theoretically, we don't work on the integrations, but having the knowledge on the integrations is a added value to your profile. And another important is nothing but during the projects, what is the methodology that we follow? I think most of us, we have heard about SDLC, software development lifecycle, right? In that software development lifecycle, phase 1, phase 2, okay? As part of the project implementation lifecycle, what we do in the phase 1, phase 2, okay? That is given there. So similarly, Oracle is following a methodology. That methodology is called as a OUM, Oracle Unified Methodology, OUM. As part of that OUM methodology, that is also called as a cloud methodology. What we do in the first step and second step and third step, what is our final step? In each step, what should be our actions? And in each step, what should be our documents to be prepared? Okay, I have that slide here. Let me show you. Here is the slide. So this is called as a OEM methodology. Project design phase. What is our work in the project design phase? Configuration phase, validation, transition, realization. Okay. In the project design phase, what we are doing, we are conducting meetings with the client because we wanted to understand what client is expecting. Suppose an example, I'm a construction company. You have came to me for your house construction. I'm going to ask you some questions, right? What is your land size? How many floors you want? 2 floors or 5 floors? I'm going to ask you questions. And in each floor, how many bedrooms you want? You want a balcony. Your balcony you want on which side? How many bathrooms you want? What should be your in your floor? How much size you want us to allocate for balcony? Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. Similarly, you have to conduct meeting with the client and you have to understand what client is expecting and document it and configure the application. Load the data. You see here, load the data. Okay, and configure the live application. So phase by phase, what is our work and what kind of documents we prepare also. You see here, these are the document numbers. Document numbers, these are the document numbers. We no need to prepare all these documents, not required. Maybe out of these documents, if you prepare 4 or 5, that is enough. 4 or 5 main documents, requirement gathering document, as is model, to be model, configuration document, test cases, and data migration templates, and user manuals. If any custom reports and customizations you have built, those custom documents. So around maybe max 6, if you prepare, that is enough. I'll give you those, I'll show you those templates, okay? We'll discuss those templates in the classes as well. Next, this is the home screen of the application. This is the home screen. So this is web-based application. Give me a second, Tim. Give me a second. So this is a web-based application. So you need not to install anything in your laptop. You can open this application from your mobile, from your tablet also. From your tablet also, you can open this application. You just have to have, you need to have internet, that's it. Like your Facebook, how you are opening, similarly, you can open the application. Okay. I'll show you the application, the real application. I'll show you, give me a moment. I'm stopping my screen sharing, okay. I'm going to open the application for you. So everyone can see my screen, right? The application homepage.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you just need to have internet, that's it. Okay. You can open this application in any browser. It could be, Firefox or Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, anything. So we will provide you username and password. If you click on, give me a moment. Give me a moment, Tim. I think I forgot the password. I'm sharing and shared the screen. I have in my email. I'll take it from the email. Okay, give me a moment. I'm sharing the screen back to you. Okay, I have entered username and password. So this is the home screen of the application, home page. Okay, and this is nothing but a theme. Okay, you can also change the themes, like how you are changing the wallpaper in your mobile. You can change the themes, and these are called as apps. These are called as apps. Okay. So if the client wants to create a supplier in the application, he has to go here. To create a supplier in the application, the client has to go here. So before they create a supplier in the application, what are the background configurations required that we configure in the application? Okay. So to create any product in the application, we go here, product. Okay. So actually right now we are in the supply chain transaction only. Okay. Suppose if you enroll to this course, you are my customer, right? And I'm your supplier, correct? Yes or no? If you enroll to the course, you are my customer and I'm your
Yes.
supplier.
Yeah.
And what product that you have purchased from me? What product that you have purchased from me? Supply chain
Course.
management. Supply
Services.
chain course you have purchased from me. So that means suppose if I implement Fusion application, what are my items? My items are nothing but, my products are nothing but my courses. Because I'm selling the courses to the customers. The items are nothing but my courses only. So those has to be created here in the application. Okay. And also when I'm creating the item, how I'm selling that item to my customers, I'm selling in eaches, I'm selling in bag or mini pack. One product can be sold in multiple UMs. You can sell in eaches, you can sell in dozens also. You can sell in bag, you can sell in mini bag. What are the unit of measures are there that we need to configure in the application before the item get created, okay, as an IT guy. And also I want to show you the application version also here. If you click on about this application, you can see the application version 23B. Okay. So this is the latest application. Tell me.
I have like right now you tell about unit of measure,
Yes, correct.
but I didn't get that. Like this is our product course, so you're going to sell it like you're selling it online. So that will be your UM.
UM is nothing but how you are measuring the item. Okay, you are measuring the item, how you are selling the item to your customers also. You are selling in inches or liters or dozens or kgs, how you are selling. That's called as a unit of measure.
Okay.
Now I am navigating to the setup and maintenance. Here we spend a lot of time in the screen, okay, in the setup and maintenance. So we have to configure which module? We have to configure order management module, procurement module. Suppose an example. What is our work? I'll tell you. What is our work? I'll tell you. Suppose if you take an example of purchase order. Purchase order approvals. The client requirement is suppose if the PO amount is greater than 100K, okay, I want Mr. A to be approved. I want Mr. A to approve that PO, okay. Suppose if the amount between, sorry, let me put it this way, 100 to 200K, Mr. A should approve, okay. Between 200 to 300K, Mr. B should approve. Okay. If it is more than 500K, okay, Mr. She should approve. So what is an IT guy work? So this is the client requirement. According to this client requirement, you have to configure the approvals in the application. Where do you configure the approvals? From the procurement. If you go to approvals, here we configure the approvals. Here we are going to write the conditions. Write the conditions in the sense you don't write any code here. So this is one of the example. What is our work? To tell what is our work. Okay. Like this, not only PO approvals, you can configure sales order approvals, item approval. Okay. From the finance side, invoice approvals also there from the finance side, but finance is not our part. Okay. So this is the screen to configure the approvals. So how to configure, I'll just show you. So just for a look and feel, I'm showing the application. Okay. You can just write the rule name. So here we write the condition. Document amount. nothing but PO amount. What is exact condition name? Okay. So this is the condition. So if the amount between, if it is less than, if the document amount is less than 100, if the PO amount is less than 100, see here what operator I have used, less than. Click on OK. Then what you want to do? You want to automatically approve that PO. If any PO amount is in less amount, I would like to automatically approve. But for 1 rupee, 2 rupees, we don't need approval, right? That's why I'm automatically approved. If it's less than 100 rupees, let us approve automatically. You want to send it for any guy approval? Yes, you can follow these hierarchies. Supervisor hierarchy, position hierarchy, job level hierarchy. Okay. So we have to configure the application like this based on the client requirement. And we have to test also. What is our work? So first of all, so in this component, what you are doing, you are gathering the requirement. Correct? What you are doing is gathering the requirement. After gathering the requirement, document it. Our discussion you have to document, right? Later configure the application. Okay, and prepare a document. Prepare a document for the configurations. Nothing but if required, you have to take the screenshots. Whatever you configured, you take the screenshots in a Word document. Prepare the document for the configurations. And after that, prepare test cases. Prepare the test cases. Later, you have to perform the testing. Perform the testing. Okay. After that, if everything is working fine as per the client requirement, if everything is working fine, then you ask the client to test. That's called UAT, user acceptance testing. Okay. Suppose if the client tested and they found some issues. You fix everything. Whatever the issues that client reported, you fix it everything. Now everything is working fine. Client has approved. Okay. Then you have to configure whatever you did that in the real instance. This real instance is called as a production instance. In the production instance, whatever the data is there, that's a real data. Okay, so here for testing, what you have done, you created a couple of purchase orders here for testing, correct? You created a couple of purchase orders for testing. So you have to do all these in which instance? I mean, you have to do it in which instance? You have to perform in the non-prod instance. And then this is prod instance, nothing but production instance. So this is the live instance, real instance. And whatever the data available here is a real data. So here we should not perform any testing. We have to perform testing in the non-production instance only. Okay, later in the production instance, what we do, we just do the configurations only. Do you perform testing in the production instance?
No.
No. Or users can perform the testing, client can perform the testing? No. No testing performed in the real instance. Okay. In just 5 minutes, what is our work? I have explained you like this. In just 5 minutes, but I have to spend minimum more than 1 hour time to go into details of the implementation project approach or what is our work. So at a high level, just in a 5 minutes, I explained like this. Okay. So I'll take last 5 minutes from my side. Okay. Now let's see the course details. I need 8 hours time to complete the course because I'm covering a lot of topics, lot of modules and subject is there. That's why 8 hours required for me. Timings is 7 to 18. morning 7 to 8. Currently, this slot is available. That's why timings is morning 7 to 8. We don't have other slot. Okay, current slot is 7 to 8. And then daily 1 hour, Monday to Saturday. I'll take the classes Monday to Saturday. 5 months application access we are providing. 5 months application access for the practice. Whatever the application that you have just seen, that access for 5 months. And you will get 1 year membership. 1 year membership means within 1 year, you can attend as many batches as you want. Suppose for this batch, you paid the fee. You paid the fee for some personal reasons and for professional reasons. You discontinued the batch. Don't worry about your money. You have 1 year time. In that 1 year time, you can attend as many batches as you want. In the future, maybe if we start any batch in another slot, you can attend that batch also. And daily session recordings are available from our learning portal. I'll show you that portal. This is our website. And later after the registration, we will provide you the login details. And you have to click on the sign in button. You have to enter your email ID and password. After that, this is our learning portal, LMS portal. If you click on my courses, currently in my account, a lot of courses has been added, but in your case, you'll see only your course only. If you click on your course, you will see all the class videos by module wise. You'll see inventory, procurement, product management, okay, order management. You can see all the topics day wise, module wise also here. So all these recordings are the class recordings, live class recordings, and these are HD recordings. Okay, let me play and show you one video. Do you see the quality of this video stream? These are HD quality videos.
Yeah.
See the clarity of the screen. Okay. And you can also, I mean, the speed controls also there. You can increase the speed and then you can decrease the speed also. And the subtitles also available. Suppose if you enable CC, you'll see the subtitles also. So this is a learning portal. Okay, this portal access for 1 year. After completion of the session, within 2 to 3 hours of the time, the video get uploaded. In case if you missed the live classes, you can also catch up the recording. At the time of your practice also, you can watch this recording and you can also follow the practice as well. Okay. And course completion certificate you can download from here. So once all these classes are complete, nothing but you enable this checkbox. You mark this checkbox as completed. Once everything is completed, you'll see a course completion certificate. I think what happened. I just have seen 100%. Okay, you'll see a button here. And if you click on that button, once course completion certificate 100% completed, when you click on that button, you'll get the certificate automatically. Let me show you one. Any course which 100% is completed, I'll see. There is one course. Let me see. After 100% completion of the course, you'll see the certificate button. You can click on that certificate to generate the certificate automatically. Okay, and you can also download it here, and it will also email to your email ID automatically, your registered email ID. And you can also scan this. We are using the barcode functionality. You can also scan that certificate. Okay, this is about learning portal. This portal access for 1 year. And I have the documents. Let me show you those documents also. Training material I'll show you. Materials are shared from the Google Drive. Okay, so this is the folders, and I'll show you a couple of documents. Full length material is also available. It's in my folder. Yeah, my material. Go here. So totally how many pages you see here? 200 pages, okay. Model wise full length material is also available, team. This is for the procurement. This is for the inventory. For the inventory, 153 pages document is there. And topic wise material is also available. Topic wise, okay. Suppose if I go to the folder, topic wise, suppose if I go to inventory, for the inventory transactions. So this is topic wise material. Including screenshots and navigations. See here. Okay. This is about course material. What about real-time documents? I have a folder for that. You can see the sample resumes here itself. Sample resumes for the experienced and for freshers. There is a resume preparation session is also there. And real-time documents. This is my project documents, whatever the projects that I have worked on, those project documents I'm sharing from here, those templates. So this is a future process model. This is requirement gathering. This is configuration documents and then user manuals. Okay. And what is our roles and responsibilities during the implementation projects and support projects? Roles and responsibilities, what we do. Okay. And also, this is about material. And in my YouTube channel, if you want, you can also subscribe this channel. I'm sharing the link to everyone. You can subscribe. In the YouTube channel, interview questions, discussion videos also available. Okay. So this is on the pricing model and GOP. And this is for the procurement, nothing but supply chain management. You see, during the session itself, I prepared these questions. Totally 500 question and answers are available. You see how many questions? Not only questions, answers also available. So like this, totally 4 videos are there. Totally. Okay, let me show you all those 4. If you go to the playlist, and here, if you go to Fusion SCM playlist, and other conceptual videos also available. And I'm scrolling down. Okay. You see here, 1, 2, 3. Totally 3 videos are available. We are yet to upload 1 more video. Okay. For the interview question and answers. And in our learning portal also. Midun. In our learning portal also, you'll see those question and answers in the blog section. If you go to Oracle Fusion SCM, and you'll find here, suppose an example, one blog I'm going to show you, auto management interview question and answers. You see here, from basic to advanced, all these questions. How many are there totally? I think 110 questions are there. Let me just show you question and answers. Do you see here? How many questions are there? Team 111 on the order management. Okay. Suppose I have other questions also, other question related blocks also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks are there. Out of these 5 blocks, totally 500 interview question and answers are available. Procurement, inventory, on the order management side, 3 are there. These 3. You see bottom 2 and then this one, totally 3 are there on the order management. Totally 500 interview questions and answers are available. So if you want, you can also subscribe to the channel. I have given the link in the chat. Okay, you can click on that and you can subscribe to our channel. You can catch up these concept videos and interview question and answers videos also. So there is a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, we will add you and we can discuss if you're having any practice issues or doubts, any project related issues, I'll help you in that WhatsApp group. Okay. I'll also conduct mock-up interviews at the end. So based on your mock-up interview performance, we will try to show you the placements. Based on your mock-up interview performance, you are a fresher or you are experienced or whatever, we have a staffing company. According to your knowledge only, we will share you the placements and requirements. That can be assessed based on your mock-up interviews. So that's all from my side. I think I have explained this learning portal right already. So you can also check out our reviews also, because we are taking the reviews directly from our students. Go to, all these are the genuine reviews only, okay, which we have taken from the students in the class. You can check out our reviews also. Nowadays, mostly we are purchasing everything by checking the reviews. So totally on the supply chain management, how many reviews are there? You see, good reviews are there. So students are referring our course to everyone because we are providing the quality, good content. So that's about the course details. And if you're having any questions, just go ahead. We have under 10 minutes. And in the 10 minutes, I'll clarify your doubts about the course.
Krishna, I have a question. Like daily, we are going to daily we are going to attend a session of 1 hour,
Yes.
and you also need that. We also need to practice. So,
Yes.
investment of how much hours we is like if we for efficient work, how much hours we
Minimum 3
require?
hours required, madam. 1 hour for the class, 2 hours for the practice. And also I'll
Yes.
track the practice status also. Let me show you those emails as well.
Okay.
I'm going to track the, you see here, currently
Yes,
52
yes.
batch is going on. So the students are going to send me the practice status. I will verify their practice status regularly. Okay, after completion of the session. In case if they are facing any challenges during the practice, I'll help them.
Okay.
If you're having enough time, you can also prepare a document like this, but or at least just if you're emailing me the practice status also fine. Documentation is not mandatory. It's up to you if you want to
Okay.
send me the document or not. Okay. Like this, you see here, I receive emails from all my students about their practice status. I'll verify it. Okay.
So, like this, you're asking that this kind of documentation is not required, only the practice of what we are doing
So
on
if you're
daily.
having time, if you send me the document like this, that's great. Otherwise, just 1 or 2 screenshots also enough.
Okay.
Just for my understanding, like how you are
Yeah.
practicing, whether you're practicing or not, daily follow-up, it's like.
Okay. And you also asked that you will be creating a WhatsApp group. So any query we are having entire the day, so you
You
are
can
gonna
post it
answer
there.
that, or the team is
I'm
there?
available. I'm available
Okay.
in that group. Okay. I'll answer, and your seniors also available. Your batchmates also available. Okay. Helping each other in that group.
Okay. Or in the project we stuck, so there also you're gonna help us.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
But
Thanks.
I'll guide you how to do it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. If you
Yeah.
post
Yeah.
your
Yeah.
question, I'll guide you. Okay.
Mm.
Any more questions, team?
Yeah, hi Krishna, this is Sri. Actually, I worked on
Madam, 1 second. Sorry for stopping. Classes are from Monday. Classes are from Monday. Timing, you know, right? 7 to 8.
Yeah.
Same meeting ID. Day 1 class also free. Day 1 class also free. If you have to verify everything, nothing but the content, the course cost, facilities that we are providing, and trainer knowledge. You compare everything. Okay. and you find we are the best institute in the market for the supply chain management. What you need good content. You need good content, you need good trainer who has the knowledge and a good application for your practice and a good training documents, nothing but materials, resume preparation, interview question and answers, everything we are providing.
Yes, Krishna, I heard about you a lot.
Yeah. Go ahead, madam. Go ahead with your next questions.
Yeah, Krishna, this is just my query only. So I worked in Oracle EBS side
Okay.
10 years.
Okay.
So now I'm moving to SCM functional side. So how it will go? It will easy or how can I manage? Can you suggest?
To build your confidence, even freshers are also learning this course. You're already
Okay.
having EBS experience. Okay. You no need to worry at all. So freshers are learning. They are keeping 5 years experience by keeping on their degree. They are trying the jobs and they got the jobs also. They are doing that happily.
Actually, I have a 5
Practice.
years break. That's all.
Practice, madam. Okay. So you have to tune your brain in a such a way to practice daily again. Initially,
Okay.
for 1 week, it would be tough, I know, because you have to transition yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 week is tough, and later on, if you practice a lot, then you automatically switch to here.
Okay. Fine, sir. Thank you.
Some of the questions asked in the chat. Madam, if you are manufacturing course, we are not providing, madam, currently.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
I don't have time slots. That's why I'm just covering supply chain management only. The supply chain management also I'm covering 80 hours. Okay, almost 2.5 months, more than 2.5 months course is this. That's why I'm not clubbing the manufacturing with this. We don't have a separate course for the manufacturing. The reason is there are no much students interested for the course. I actually planned for a demo 3 months back. Only 5 members attended.
Okay.
That is
Yeah,
the
I
reason.
understand.
That is the reason I have not started that batch.
Okay. By any chance, I mean, not combined with this SCM course, by any chance, do we have material available related to cloud manufacturing?
Cloud manufacturing, yes, we have, but I
Okay.
don't know how much it will be helpful to you. I will
Okay.
ask.
Offline, I
Yeah,
think
yeah.
I will.
You can ask Padma. You can message her. Whatever is
Okay.
available, she will give it to you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Krishna.
And so let me answer the questions in the chat, and later I'll take questions. Okay. Shishir, Patrick, interact with you personally. If you're having any one-to-one doubts, Patrick, Pratik, right? Pratik, you can stay back. Shishir, Pratik, you can stay back at the end of the demo. Okay, I will talk to you one-to-one. Okay.
Okay.
Stay back till end of the demo. We'll discuss one-to-one. No problem.
Sure,
I answered Anu question, Pratik question, and Apurva. Which industry clients are moving to using Oracle Fusion? It's not one specific industry, madam. All the industries, either it could be construction, real estate, oil and gas, telecommunication. Okay. All they are using the Oracle Fusion application, banking, finance domain. I think your question is already answered by Tariq. Tariq mentioned like in UAE, a lot of projects are there in Oracle Fusion. Thanks,
Hello.
Tariq, for helping me. And next question, how is the job market currently? Rakesh, do you hear me, Rakesh?
Yeah, I can hear you.
May I know why you asked this question? Any specific reason for asking this question so that I'll answer you accordingly?
Totally new to this domain. Like I'm
Okay.
from supply chain management,
Okay.
but totally I'm new to the fusion. It's a change from the management to this application thing.
Okay. So you're currently in the domain. You're currently in the domain, correct?
Supply chain domain. Yeah. I don't know exactly how it is going to work in the market.
Sir, you are the right person to transform to the IT side. Okay, because you're already in the domain, you know what is happening in the domain side. You have to learn the application, because later when you learn the application, you're gonna help the people like you, because the clients because for the clients, you have to configure the application. So what is happening from the domain side, you know, you are the right person for this course actually.
Got it.
And when you ask about the job market, this particular course, there are very, very less number of consultants are available in the market. So supply is less, demand is there, supply is less. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why good number of job opportunities are there. But you know, you have to do your hard work also, not
Sure.
just attending the classes. If you do your hard work, okay, I'll tell this example in every batch. Suppose you found a good trainer. Suppose I want to become an IAS. Okay, I went to good institute. I paid the fee there. Will I become an IAS without my practice?
No.
You have to invest your time, your dedication. Okay, you have to spare something from your life, from your regular day-to-day activities. You have to put your focus completely there. The same thing I'll tell in every batch. If you just pay course fee to me, you won't get anything. You have to show your dedication. Okay,
Yeah.
if you, and also there are no other ways also for you, Rakesh. This is the way. You don't have other
Yeah.
alternatives also. Do you have any other alternatives? If you want to enhance your career in terms of package, in terms of settlement, this is the only way. So undoubtedly, you have to come here. Otherwise, you have to stay there itself.
Got it.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
So Krishna, if we are looking for a change, so what's your suggestion? First, we need to complete the entire course, or we can start in the middle. Matlab, what's your suggestion on that?
Once the 70% of the course is completed, you can start searching for the jobs.
Okay.
70% of the course is completed. Okay. So that will also give you the confidence how to appear for the interviews. And you can also tune yourself according to the market questions also.
Okay. Mm.
Okay. So I want you to attend, all of you, give a trial. Okay. Not for the job, just to assess yourself, how much knowledge you have, what kind of questions are asked, and how to answer those questions. If you attend 5 interviews, every interview 10 questions, 5 into 10. How many questions? 50 questions. In the 6th interview, maybe you'll get that 50 questions only in the 6th interview. That's how many interviews that you are attempting, that much chance of increasing the job that you are getting. The chances are getting increased. So you have to attend the interviews, not for the job, to assess yourself. Okay. There are a lot of questions are asked in the chat. If you don't mind, I'm not able to go through all those, read through all those questions. Kindly ask me orally. Somebody
Hi,
asked
Krishna.
a course fee
Hello.
and all. Go ahead. Yeah.
Can I? I'm
Go ahead.
Tariq. I'm Tariq from UAE.
Okay.
Mr. Krishna, you can say I designed and developed the ERPs, okay, in Oracle, all in all. Okay.
Okay.
I just moved to this course because I gave a gap in my career, and now from I think almost 6 months, okay, I'm just getting, you can say, I given 2 interviews for SCM fusion, but I cannot clear that. Because of that, I don't know the major terms. Okay, I know whatever I learn in until 10G, like in-house. So my question is that in all this, so because still I have 2 interviews, maybe after 10 days. So is that I'll be able to? I'm not asking you to clear that, but I think that I'll be able to answer them. What do you think?
10 days. 10 days time. Within 10 days time.
No, I'm not saying that I'm going to clear that, but I think that according to you, because I watched your YouTube video, the first one, okay, and it cleared me so many things, okay. So whatever the person, that's why I come to you.
Okay.
Because I was watching 3-4 different, you can say, videos on SCM.
Okay.
Because I have already a SCM, you can say, software in Pakistan with my client, so I'm doing that. It's a small ERP.
Okay.
So then I watched your video. Then I said that, man, whatever I'm watching, 3-4, this is the man who can help me all in all.
Okay.
So literally, I'm saying that when I watched that video just 3 days before, so I said, okay, man, just go to this man, and I think that then, because it's still, I just signed a contract to a company. Okay. It's a Indian consultant. They asked me, I said to them, I'm going to start the SCM. Sorry, I'm taking the time of all of you. So they said to me that you done that. I said I didn't done that, but I know what is SCM, what all of this.
Okay.
So they said that. So when you are going to start? I said it's going to start on 3rd. So they just signed the contract with me. They said we will take your interview on 15th of June. I said okay, then I will see. If I'm not going to clear the, but at least I came in the, you can say, in the course. Okay. So I'm not sure with the interviews. Now my mind is that I will complete this. Then I know that how to manage all these.
Okay, yeah. For this, you have a very less time, right? Like 10 to 15 days time only, just 2 weeks. So my suggestion is to go through that 3 YouTube videos. We will upload one more video also today for the interview question and answers. Totally 4 videos are there. That 4 videos consist of 6 hours of time. Okay. You go through that 6 hours of videos, and also in our learning portal also under the blog section. Okay. So how to navigate, I'll show you. Let me tell you. So if you go to our website, okay, and you need not to sign into the application, not required. Okay. So without sign in also, let me show you. If you click on the sign in button, if you already logged in, automatically it will logged in. Login is not required. Let me show you again. I did the logout. If I click on the sign in, okay. So this is our LMS portal, Learning Management System. Here, if you go to the LMS portal homepage, you click on this homepage, okay? Nothing but on the logo.
Okay.
If you scroll down, you'll see block section here, blocks. And you go to the block section.
Okay.
And here under Fusion SCM, you go to Fusion SCM.
Okay.
Here from the bottom, this is entry questions. This is also entry questions.
Okay.
This is also entry questions. So totally 5 links are there, 5 blocks are there.
No problem.
You watch those videos and also you go through these 5 links. Okay, totally 500 interview questions are covered here.
No issue.
Okay.
So even sorry, yeah, even I'm telling that if I'm not going to clear that, I have no issue, because at least I came in the,
you try
I
from
came
your
in.
side. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. If
We have to give a try. Maybe we don't know. They may ask basics. If they ask basics, you are able to clear it, right?
Yeah, because what I done that. Okay, but they said that I don't know the terms. Okay, because whatever I know that's all from in-house. Okay, not the global like that, like Oracle Fusion. So no issue with me. Okay, I will do my best. Okay, if I'll get it's okay. If I'll not get, I will get. I know after 2 months, it's okay. No
That's
issue.
correct. Yeah.
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 Thank you.
Next question, please.
Good morning,
Hi.
sir.
Morning, Sindhu.
Sir, actually, I'm a fresher. Like, I have a doubt. Is there any job opportunities for freshers in this domain?
Yes, madam. Job opportunities are there in this domain.
Okay, like recession is going on, so I had a doubt.
Okay. Job opportunities
sir.
are there. We are actually showing the placements also. But
Okay.
whatever the opportunities that we are showing up, you should be able to crack the interviews, madam. Okay.
Already one offer, but problem is they didn't give me joining, so I choose this course for improve
Yeah.
my knowledge.
Okay. Next,
Thank you,
please.
sir.
Thank you. Next, please.
Yeah, hi Krishna, this is Dilip.
Hello, Dilip.
Yeah, actually I would like to do Oracle certification.
Okay.
Maybe I don't have any complete knowledge. Can you give me a brief how it is going to work to clear that?
My team will help you, sir. You contact this number. Okay. My team will help you on this. So which certification you want to do, procurement or order management, okay? You can reach this number, they will help you. Okay.
Hi, Krishna.
Hello, Sai.
Hi, Krishna. Yeah, I'm totally new to this SCM, this thing.
Okay.
So I just want to know the modules shown in the Oracle website are little different, and the modules which are covering in this course are little different. Like in the website there are total only 10 modules, but in this the course of content there are 16 17 modules.
Okay.
May I know why is that? And
we have given the models in a detailed way.
Okay.
So that everybody can understand. And also, Some of those not actually modules
Okay.
in our course content. I mean, maybe you're referring to the brochure, right?
Yeah.
You are looking at the brochure. In the brochure, I have mentioned order to cash and procure to pay something. And also I mentioned some other things also. Those are not actually modules. They're important topics. Okay. So students are not having enough patience to go down the line into every module. That's why I mentioned in the top itself.
Okay, but entirely we are covering these 10
Yes.
modules, right?
Not 10, 13 it will come. Whatever I've shown in the PPT.
Yeah, okay, fine. And you are covering PLM also, right? It's just a question.
PIM I'm covering, product management.
Yeah, and the PLM, product lifecycle management. It's just a question.
Let me show you. Yeah, this is here, you see. Here I'm
Yeah.
covering, yeah. Product
Okay,
management,
okay.
PLM, both are same.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Krishna, one last question. Can you show me again the navigation for your blogs so that I can?
I'll give you the link directly.
Okay.
And have you subscribed to the YouTube channel also?
Yes.
I think nobody did. It's not increased. The count is not increased.
But I already done that. Huh?
You show the
Yeah,
navigation for your blog.
I already done that 3 days before. The first video I posted.
Okay. I'm sharing the link
we
again.
already reached you through the YouTube link
Videos. Okay.
site only.
Okay. I shared the YouTube subscription link again. If not, please subscribe. And coming to the LMS portal, I'm sharing the link, direct link, madam. Okay, in the chat.
Okay.
I share direct link. Okay, you can bookmark that link. I'll keep on adding some more content into the blog portal. Okay. Yes, Apurva.
Rahim this side. Good morning, sir.
Who is this?
Rahim.
Rahim. Tell me, Rahim.
Yeah, actually, I have two questions. One is like, will I get access for this batch videos, or I'll get access only with my
This batch, you can ask my team. They will give you this batch video. Sir.
And one more thing is like I have an issue with this login for LMS portal. I have discussed with Padma.
Padma, I think already replying you. Okay. So after the class, she will call you and help you with that.
Okay. Thank you.
Padma is beside to me only.
Okay.
So she will help you after the class.
Sure.
Any more doubts, team? Okay. Start. They answered everything. Tell me who is that? Prasad. Tell me, Prasad.
Yeah, Prasad. Hi, Krishna. How are you?
Good, Prasad. How are you?
Yeah, your demo is very nice. I have one
Prasad.
question like in back-to-back, make back-to-back drop, back-to-back buy, back-to-back transfer. How are you covering these three? I'm right?
I'm covering back-to-back buy. If I cover back-to-back buy, you'll automatically understand make and transfer from how to do it.
But make comes into manufacturing.
Correct. Yeah, that's why I'm not covering that. I'm covering buy part.
Okay. This procurement contracts.
Covered. Procurement contracts module covered.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
And buy to back to back make, if you want, I can cover it. Okay. Only problem is the duration of the course. Okay. Currently I'm covering a lot of topics. That's why 80 hours is too much use for the students.
Yeah, see the content. Content is huge.
That's why, because of the time constraint, I'm not able to cover the other topics. I have the patience, I have the time, but students are not showing the patience. After 2 months, I see 50% of the students are dropping.
Yes.
They want the course to be finished in 2 months. It's not possible.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Rajesh,
yes.
tell him.
Krishna garu, we should download any Oracle application tool or something in our laptops?
No
Or
need to
we
install
can-
anything, sir. Not required. You just have to. Internet is enough. That's it. You can
That's
open
it,
this
right?
application from mobile also, sir.
Yeah, for practice and all.
For practice only. I've shown
Okay.
the application, right? This is the application.
Okay.
Okay, you see this application. This is the one I've shown in the session. I don't know whether you are away from the system. This is the application.
Yes, I have seen this.
Okay, so you need to have internet. That's it. You can open this
Okay.
from your mobile also. Actually, no need to install anything. No plugin, no software. Nothing is required.
Sure. Got it, Krishna garu. Thanks for your patience.
Okay, sir.
And you are awesome, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
One more question from chat RKT. Who is that RKT? What's your question? Can you please speak and ask? Okay, team. I'll see you on Monday then.
Okay, Krishna.
Krishna.
Shishir,
Thanks, Krishna.
Shishir, you want to talk to me personally? You said.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So thanks all of you. Okay, I'll see you on Monday. Okay, 7 to 8 is the timing. Same meeting ID.
Okay.
Day 1 class also free. Okay, if you like, then only continue. Okay. Otherwise, keep your money in your bank only. Don't pay to me. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you.
Thanks, Krishna.